Hello. Today I'm going to go over how to read time signatures using some flashcards. So let's get started. On this first screen, you'll see I have 4 quarter notes and a time signature off to the side with 2 numbers. There's a 4 on the top and a 4 on the bottom. The top number tells you how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number can be thought of in 2 ways. You can think of it as the value of the whole note. In this case, the whole note equals 4 beats. Or you can think of it as what kind of note gets 1 beat. So if you break it down, you'll see that the whole note equals 4 beats, therefore the half note equals 2, and the quarter equals 1 beat. Here's an example. I have 2 quarter notes and a half note. So let's do the math. I have 1 beat plus 1 beat plus 2 beats. If you do the math, you'll see that we are in 4/4 time. We have 4 beats in the measure, and the whole note gets 1 beat. The whole note gets 4 beats, and this is how you would count it. 1, 2, 3, hold through beat 4. Let's try another example. Here I have a quarter note, a half note, and a quarter note. So I have a 1 beat, 2 beats, and 1 more beat. That equals 4 beats. We are in 4/4 time. The whole note gets 4 beats, which means the half note gets 2, and the quarter note gets 1. So we would count this 1, 2, hold through beat 3, and finally 4. Here's another example. I have a half note, which will get 2 beats, and then I have 2 quarter notes, which get 1 beat each. Again, we are in 4/4 time. We have 4 beats in the measure, and the whole note gets 4 beats, which means the half note gets 2, and each quarter note gets 1. So the counts that are written are 1, hold through 2 for that half note, then 3, and 4. This next example only has 3 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. So let's think about what our time signature will be. How many beats are in this measure if the whole note gets 4? We're in 3/4 time. We have 3 beats in the measure, and if the whole note is 4 beats, that means the half note gets 2 beats, and each quarter note gets 1 beat. 1, 2, 3. Let's do another example. Here I have a half note followed by a quarter note. So this note is worth 2 beats. This one is only worth 1. If you do the math, you'll find that we are in 3/4 time. We get 3 beats in the measure, and again the whole note still gets 4 beats, which gives the half note 2 beats and the quarter note 1. 1, hold through 2, and 3. Here's another example. I only have 2 quarter notes. So assuming that the whole note equals 4 beats, the half note gets 2, that means each of these quarters only get 1 beat. What time signature would we have? We are in 2/4 time. We have 2 beats in the measure, and the whole note gets 4 beats, which means the half note gets 2, and each quarter only gets 1. 1, 2. Here is one more example. I only have 1 note, but it's a half note. If you assume that the whole note equals 4 beats, half of that for the half note is 2 beats. Let's see what our time signature is. we are in 2/4 time. 2 beats in the measure, and the whole note is 4 beats, which means the half note is 2. 1, hold through 2. And that is the end of our time signature flashcards.